Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the chapter from geography part, that is chapter 8, natural resources. What is the definition of natural resource? The thing on which the man is dependent. Human needs can be fulfilled by them, and man has a physical and intellectual capacity to utilize them. Then only a thing is called as a resource. Resource means everything you cannot say resource. For example, during Stone Age time, many minerals were found beneath the surface of the earth, but those minerals were not useful to them, so it cannot be known as a resource. Definition of resources: the thing on which we are dependent, without which we cannot live. The thing is important to us, and that thing will fulfill our needs. Next, we are having a capacity to change the particular thing according to utilization. Then it can be called as a resource. For example, wood, we are dependent on it. Our needs can be fulfilled by them, but we are converting the wood into furniture. That is, we are using the physical intellectual capacity to convert the thing into resource. So in definition of resource, three things are important. One is we are dependent on it. Second, our needs will be fulfilled by them. Third, we are having a capacity, that is an intellectual or physical capacity, that we can change the particular thing into utilization, that is usefulness. Then only the thing is known as a resource. Uses of resources. In short, what are uses of resources? Normally, if uses of resources, if we make a list, it is very long. But in simple word, what is the use of resource? So we can say all the activities from agriculture, that is production of each and every food grain, till industries, means every raw material gets converted into finished goods. So we can say from agriculture to industries, everything is dependent on resource only. We cannot live without resources. So for easy classification, it is a two mark question. What are the uses of resource? So here the uses of resources are divided into three parts. Types of resources is a different question. Uses of resources is a different question. So broadly classification is done. How the resources is, uses of the resources are classified, not the types. It is the uses of resource. First of all, the resource as a food. Food, whatever we are taking it, for example, fruits are there. Next, crops, then milk and milk product, meat, fish, other aquatic animals, honey prepared from honey bee. These all are for consumption, that is we are using as a food. So one uses of resources, that all the things that are used as a food, they are known as a resources. It is very simple one. Resource as a food, all the simple words are milk product, rice, wheat, all the food grains, meat, honeybee, etc. Next, resource as a raw material, those resources which we cannot directly utilize, but it has to be converted into finished goods. Those resources are known as a source of raw material. See here, from forest we obtain many types of resources. Agro products are the agricultural products. Sugarcane converts into sugar, like this. Wool, this is a raw material from sheep. Directly wool we cannot use, but the wool has to be converted into woolen cloths, so it is a raw material. Hides, that is the skin of animal. The skin of animal is tanned, is taken to make the different leather products. Meat available from animals. And finally, mineral ore. Mineral ore which is found beneath the surface of the earth. For example, iron ore, it has to be converted into iron, then only it is useful. So resources as a source of raw material, whatever things we are getting as a raw material, and then it is converted into finished goods. Next, resources and energy resource, the things, the resources from which we can get energy, like coal, petrol, diesel, natural gas. Beside this, we can also see sun. Solar energy is a source of energy. Wind energy is there. Sea waves are there. Tides are there, high tides. Ebbs are there. When the surface of the water comes forward, it is a tide. But the same surface of the water goes behind, and the tunnels are made over there, and waterfall through which we can generate hydroelectricity. So whatever resources are there, which from which we can get energy, they are covered under resources as energy resource. Okay, thank you.